Hi, my name is Anya and today's video is sponsored. The sponsor for this video is Hermes. Hermes sent me a box full of ice cream powder mix to try. I will be showing you how to make these yummy ice creams. These ice creams are so easy to make. They only need 2 ingredients, which is the ice cream powder mix and 600 ml of whole milk. I even got a cool ice cream scoop from Hermes. This mix makes 2 liters of delicious ice cream. And the instructions are so easy to follow. Add those 2 ingredients to a bowl. To a bowl, add in 600 ml of whole milk and the vanilla ice cream powder mix. Mix with a hand mixer on full speed for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will end up with this fluffy mixture. The cool thing about these ice cream mixes is that it also doubles as mousse. For the vanilla mousse, I added some peach cubes on top, and it tastes amazing. You're welcome to play around with different toppings, or you can enjoy it on its own. Now to make the ice cream, I poured a little of the mixture into a container. Then I added a few spoons of blueberry compote and a few crushed up biscuits. I swirled it in with a skewer. Then add some more ice cream. And repeat the steps by adding some more blueberry compote and some crushed biscuits. And there you go, you can transform this vanilla ice cream to make a blueberry cheesecake flavored ice cream. Place into the freezer for 8 hours. After 8 hours, scoop onto an ice cream cone and enjoy. Next is my personal favorite, the strawberry flavor. To a bowl, add in 600 ml of whole milk and the strawberry ice cream mix powder. Mix with a hand mixer on full speed for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the mixture will be light and fluffy. I made these yummy strawberry mousse cups by adding a layer of chopped up sponge cake to a glass. Then I added some strawberry mousse on top. I repeated the process by alternating between the sponge cake and the strawberry mousse. These strawberry mousse cups are perfect for last minute desserts to make for unexpected guests. Add a mint leaf on top. And enjoy! Now for the ice cream. Add the ice cream mix to a container and freeze for 8 hours. After 8 hours, you'll end up with smooth and creamy strawberry ice cream. Lastly is the chocolate ice cream. And again, it is so simple to make. Just add in 600 ml of whole milk and 1 packet of chocolate ice cream mix. Mix with a hand mixer on full speed for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it should look something like this. Look how fluffy it is. Pipe the chocolate mousse into white chocolate cups. Top with fresh raspberries. And it's the perfect summery dessert. Now for the ice cream. Pour some of the mix into a container and add a few spoons of cherry compote. Swirl it in with a skewer. Repeat the steps by adding the chocolate ice cream and the cherry compote. Swirl it in, then freeze for 8 hours. After 8 hours, scoop the chocolate cherry ice cream onto a cone and enjoy. If you also want to make these yummy ice creams, grab a box of Hermes ice cream powder mix and go to town by adding different flavors to it or just to enjoy it on its own. Looking forward to seeing your comments once you have tried these yummy ice creams.